Flipping the classroom! A flipped classroom is one that reverses traditional learning environment by delivering instructional content outside of the classroom. Many people are probably doubting if they're tech savvy or trendy enough to pull off a move like a flipped classroom.
No, you're wrong.
Of course you can do this. You can do anything. Sending the content home does take work on the teacher's part. So why should we do this? Because kids miss school. And society expects teachers to let them make up everything they miss? Kids are sick. Administrators pull them out. The counselors pull them out of class. The banker. There's field trips, CTO competitions, college stuff like FAFSA, and scholarships, and meetings, and it's never ending. Kids can tackle covering the content on their schedule. Life is so much simpler when you're just trying to plan out cool activities versus trying to cover a whole bunch of content in class. Since I flipped my classroom, my class is more engaged. There's more time for discussion, more time for projects, research, presenting, more time for Quizlet Live, more time for AP testing and data analysis. There's plenty of time to do things now. And between you and me, I'm less tired at the end of the day. So how do you flip your classroom? Some people find amazing videos on the internet that are already made. I couldn't, but more power to you if you can. You can create original videos using just an iPad and a free app called Adobe Spark Video. All my videos are made with Adobe Voice, which is the first generation of this Adobe Spark Video. I haven't switched over yet because I'm 79 videos deep. I have a couple more to make and I don't want to change the format. I want them all structured the same way. But the new one is better and it has upgrades for you. If you are interested in using silly quotes or music, you do need to use a computer. I use the laptop, I hit play, hit record on the iPad, it's very easy. Adobe Voice Spark is extremely simple to use. It saves all your work online. I have 79 videos, about 8 topics per chapter, I would say. Each slide you can change the layout if you want 1 picture, 2 pictures, some words. You record 1 slide at a time, which I really like, because when I mess up, I want to fix it. And I don't want to redo all of my talking I've done for the whole video. You only have to fix that 1 slide. You can duplicate or delete slides at the bottom if they don't fit in or you want one that looks just like it and you want to change it slightly. It makes life a lot easier. There are various themes for you to choose from. I have all my videos under the exact same theme because I want them to look consistent. There's various free background music and you can adjust the volume. I like to do the same song for all my videos at the same volume because I don't want to have to worry about it or think about it. So I created a template and I make copies of the template for each chapter or topic that I want to cover. You have the option to listen to 1 slide at a time or to view the entire project as it is. After you play the whole preview, you can go ahead and share it to your camera roll. It will save it to your iPad. And then I upload that same video from my iPad camera roll to YouTube. And then from there you can put it wherever you want, your website, Google Classroom, whatever you want to do with it. Are there drawbacks to a flipped classroom? Of course there are. I'm going to wait 7 seconds, let you yell them at the screen now. Go! Wow, that was some really great constructive criticism, guys. One thing I heard was that kids could refuse to watch the videos on their time at home. That is a great point. Many of my students do choose to watch the videos because they want to be successful, but it is true, some kids don't watch the videos. But Miss Pena has an answer for you. There will be an upcoming training for Edpuzzle. This is a assignment you give the kids. They watch the video and has to answer questions throughout, and it keeps track of who does it and who doesn't. And it's supposed to help us with our flipped classroom experience. Time is by far the biggest factor in flipping your classroom. I've made a video in an hour and a half, but I've also made one video in a 6-hour time span. So it just depends. This was a 2-year process for me to have an entire flipped AP Government classroom. Well, you can do anything you want. It's your class, it's your world. I hope this was informative.
Will this even work for math?
Will this even work for math? Challenge accepted. Alright, I always make a cool title and I play some music.
Let's kick it.
Order of operations. Please tell me my Aunt Sally hasn't been through here. Oh my gosh. You saw her? Oh, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Please tell me she didn't offend your race, religion, gender, or orientation in any way. Please. I'm so sorry. She's the worst. You have to excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Wait a minute. That's math. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The P stands for parentheses, the E for exponents, M multiply, D divide, A add, and S subtract. This is the order of operations. Let's evaluate the expression.
If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it.
Okay, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Let's see, what do I do first? P is for parentheses. Are there any parentheses here? Okay, there they are, 9 plus 10. Oh, I can do this. Just write down everything the same as the line above, only actually answering the parenthesis part. 9 plus 10 is 19. Okay, that's all the parentheses. What's next? E is for exponents. No exponents? Sweet! Alright, gotta go with multiplying and dividing from left to right. Let's check this out. Oh, I see some of that. 9 divided by 3. That's 3. Oh, I can do this. Yes! Oh, there's some more multiplication. 2 times 19, 38. Okay, so I had to use a calculator. Whatever. Oh man, there's still multiplication. 4 times 3. No calculator needed for this one. 12. Okay, double checking. That's all the multiplying and dividing. Okay, what's next? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. A is for add. S is for subtract. Oh, that's all that's left. Sweet. 3 plus 38. That's easy. 41. Okay, another one here. 41 minus 8. 33, you silly rabbits. Okay, only one left. 33 plus 12. That's got to be 45. Whoa, look at the order of operations here. This isn't so hard. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice.
Well, there you have it. Orders of operation video complete and ending the video about flipping the classroom. Whew, I'm glad that's over. I like to keep these under 5 minutes. Sorry that ran over. But the time left is yours. I'll be around to wander. We've got iPads with the app on it. Let's see if you like this sort of thing.